Have you ever wondered how childhood experiences shape who you are? Imagine a child living in a world filled with fear rather than safety. This is a reality for many. When kids grow up in unpredictable environments, their brains adapt, but not in a healthy way. Instead of thriving, they develop a nervous system that's always on high alert. This is not just growing up, it's surviving in chaos. Childhood trauma dramatically rewires the brain. The amygdala, the fear center, becomes hypersensitive. This means a constant state of worry. Meanwhile, the prefrontal cortex, tasked with logic and decision-making, suffers from stress, leading to confusion and doubt. And the hippocampus begins to remember fear more than joy. This brain learns to survive, not to thrive. As adults, these experiences manifest in various challenges. You might overthink decisions or expect rejection even when it's not there. Relationships can feel overwhelming, leaving you hyper-aware around conflict. These are survival strategies developed by a scared child, not personality flaws. But there's revolutionary hope. The good news is, the very brain shaped by trauma can also be reshaped. Enter Neuro-Linguistic Programming, or NLP. This is where real change happens. NLP goes beyond positive thinking. It's about using language and emotional reframing to rewire your mind. Through NLP, you can challenge those old trauma patterns that dictate your life. The beliefs you have about not being enough or having to earn love are not permanent truths. They were learned and can be unlearned. So, how does NLP work? First, it helps you identify the subconscious trauma scripts, the stories you tell yourself. Next, NLP encourages you to change the emotional meanings of past events. This doesn't deny pain but rather gives it a voice and a new interpretation. You'll replace fear-driven responses with empowered ones. Imagine switching fight to courage or fawn to boundaries. Lastly, NLP builds neural pathways that foster safety and self-worth. You create a new inner reality. Your brain can heal. Neuroplasticity means your past does not dictate your future. It's about the choices you make now. You have the power to become the protective figure your inner child needs. If you're ready to understand your mind and heal from childhood trauma, your journey can start today. Join Mind Architect. Rewire your mind and rewrite your story. Don't let trauma define you. Reclaim your life. Subscribe to Mind Architect and start your new journey today.